What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the best features on the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing that I really love about these AirPods is that now you can use your Apple Watch charger to charge these AirPods. So that's something really cool. For me, I have an Apple Watch and I can use the same charger. So if you don't have an Apple Watch, you can buy just the charger if you want, you know what I mean? Something like this. So you can just place it on the back and boom, you start charging right away. So this is really cool guys. Just make an example, if you are going out, you don't have to be worried taking too many charger with you, you know what I mean? Just take two charger, your phone charger plus your Apple Watch and this guy charger. That's it, it's compatible. So that's something really good that Apple did on these AirPods. Make it compatible with Apple Watch charger. And that's not all guys, you have 3 different ways to charge this AirPod. Number 1, you can use your Apple Watch charger. Number 2, you can use the lightning cable. Number 3, you can use any wireless charger. Second thing that I really love is the sound quality. So this AirPod guys has way better sound quality than the previous model. So I've been using a lot of different AirPods. I use the 1st generation, 2nd generation, 3rd generation, and the Pro. Now I have the Pro 2nd generation, and yo man, damn, nice sound quality, clear and louder. The first time I was wearing them, I noticed it right away. Better and clear sound quality, 100%. Something that also you're gonna love about these AirPods is the noise cancellation feature. So these guys right here has a way better noise cancellation feature than the previous model. I went to different places, to the mall, to the gym, and I was wearing these guys right here and I had the noise cancellation mode active, and yo, it does a great job. Better, way better than the previous model. So there's 3 things that I really care about any AirPod: sound quality, noise cancellation feature, and transparency mode. So this AirPod have the crown for all those features. Next feature that I really love on this AirPod is that now, as you can see, the charging case has a speaker on the bottom. So we have a speaker guys that will make your life easier if you lose it. So just make an example. You lose your AirPod, you open Find My iPhone on your iPhone, the Find My iPhone app, you try to locate it, but also as soon you tap on your AirPod to track it, it will make a sound. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Speaker on the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Also, as you can see, we have now a loop right here on the side, on the left side. We have a loop, so you can just have a layer to carry around, so you don't have to have it on your pocket. Sometimes, even me, sometimes I use tight pants, and you know, I don't like to have a lot of stuff in my pocket, so I can just tie something on that loop and boom, just go out just like that, hanging my AirPods. That's it. And also you can use that to hang these guys on the wall, you know what I mean? If you lose your charging case a lot, that's a solution for you. Nice. I have good news for those people who buy AirPods just to go to the gym, to do exercise outside, stuff like that. And the good news is guys that now the charging case and the earbuds are water resistant. So on the previous model, the AirPods Pro, only the earbuds are water resistant. Now the charging case and the earbuds both are water resistant. We are getting a powerful battery with these guys, up to 6 hours. So if you use noise cancellation feature, if you don't use the noise cancellation feature on, you will have up to 7 hours. So with the case, up to 30 hours. And the last feature that I really love about this AirPod is that now guys, you can just use right here, we are getting a touch sensor. Swipe up to increase the volume, swipe down and stuff like that on your AirPods. So before you couldn't do that, it's the first time. I missed that, yo. Now we are getting down these AirPods. So it's something that obviously everybody gonna use. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, I will appreciate that, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.